Yeah, so hi, welcome to an unboxing. I'm in a store that does all the phones, just like my last one. If you watched my video with Oppo Find X Pro in the similar store, this time I got the Redmi K9 Pro Max. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. It's only been unboxed already, unfortunately, with the ladies here. They need to kind of set this up in front of me, all that cool stuff, but I'll try my best to do unboxing. So inside, you got like normal. I put this aside for now. Have a guess what color. You've got 100 watts charger and the cable, which is a to C. At least you got a charger, good fast charge, 100 watts. This is a 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 model. Okay, inside here, your usual, the wrong side. It's actually here. You've got a SIM tool. You've got a black case. To be fair and honest, I would love to have a see-through case because of the unique model I got. You probably guessed it by now. It's actually the denim one. Let me just peel this off. It's actually the denim one, 6.9 inches. K series, I think in the UK or the global version is called a Poco phone. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is a flagship one. It's got the new Snapdragon and all that stuff. It's actually got the same panel as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, which I have. Please check that video. So you can see the ladies always helped me set this up already. I didn't bring my Xiaomi phone with me today in China, so I can't do a data transfer. So what I'm going to do maybe use this for like a day or two for just for the photos. But when I get back to UK, I'll do more of a hands-on impressions. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to do a bit more of unboxing and just go over the looks of it back in my hotel. For the time being, stay tuned for that. I get back to everyone in a few hours after my dinner. See ya. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm back to the hotel. Watch the first few minutes or minute and a half. You'll see I purchased a K90 Pro Max from the same company or the same store outlet as the one I got my Oppo Find 9 Pro, the red one that I bought a couple of days ago. But this time, the one I went back to the same store, but they didn't have it. They actually contacted another store, which is just literally about 5 minutes away, and they actually reserved this for me. It's a K9 Pro. You already know the one I got. They kind of opened it up to make sure, take all the details. The lady put her SIM card in to make sure it works. Did a bit of a setup for me, part of the complimentary. They also gave me earbuds, but I gave it to a friend of mine. Because, to be fair, I got tons of earbuds. Just gonna put all these away for a bit. This is the one. But you know what, before I do that, let's go through everything again. So inside the box, you do get a 100 watts charger. Of course, you get a USB-C to A to C. Okay, and in here you get your usual, which is the SIM ejection tool and a case. Black one, I'll use that in a sec. Put it on. Just put that aside now. Okay, so I got myself the denim one. So this one's slightly thicker and heavier than the other standard ones, but that's the reason I got it. I felt it looks different. First, I actually like this camera island. If you saw my videos before, a week or two ago now, I got myself the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. It has a similar island. It actually shares the same kind of screen panel, but it has a slightly thicker chin. But the bezels are very, very thin here. 6.9 inches display, 120 hertz. This one's a 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 model. Translation money including tax and of course using Alipay, the fee you pay. It was, you know what, I can't actually remember. Let me double check. It's a little over 400 and something pounds, about nearly 450, if I remember correctly. You know what, let me do the maths now. No, I can tell a lie now. It's actually, yeah, about 450, give or take. The closest cheapest website I go to is Wonder Mobile. This is going for what, £578 at the moment. So I actually got it for over £120, give or take, different. I love it. Actually feels really good. That's one of the reasons why I got this, because of the striking design. So this is a flagship technically, the latest Snapdragon. Apparently, I read some reviews, or actually in YouTube, and read some articles saying that this is probably the world, at the moment, on the market, the most balanced flagship out there for a decent price. If you think about £450 English money, it's actually a mid-range price compared to some of the nothing phones out there. Even the iPhone, for example, 450, give or take, using the latest Snapdragon. They're saying this most all-round flagship performance. They improved the camera, which is great, and they got the bows right there. Actually, I find that really kind of really aesthetically pleasing, and this denim feels great. So anyway, let's get to the actual device. You got power button, volume rocker right there. You got nothing on the side. Of course, you can see antenna lines. You got the SIM tray, USB-C. I think 3.1. You can actually do video output. One speaker there. You got another speaker top, and you got 3 subwoofer. So what my understanding is, it's not like producing more louder sound. It gives you much more clearer, fuller, bassier sound, which I really want to try out once I set this up. It was technically set up, but I didn't bring my Xiaomi phone. In honesty, I was actually going to think of bringing my Xiaomi, so I was thinking of buying a Xiaomi here, right? But I ended up bringing my Oppo Find X Ultra because I knew I was going to buy an Oppo Find 9. But so along the side was I wanted to buy a Vivo as well, because I had a Vivo in the same store, but I kind of turned it off because it didn't offer anything special, because I got a Vivo X200 Pro and I got a Vivo X200 Ultra, which I'm using it to film at the moment. And the design, I actually think the Ultra looks better. And as for camera, arguably the Ultra is still kind of a little bit better. So I don't really want to spend money on something that is so similar in design and performance. So really it comes down to kind of design itself, which I find this and the Oppo kind of deviated from its traditional kind of circular island, you know. You can see it's got Harmony OS, which I'll probably end up, when I get back to London, I'm going to just transfer all the data, carbon copy it from my Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, get that done. So my Pro Max at the moment is using Nova Launcher. I'm going to kind of do that. So in English, of course, have all the, you can see quite a lot of bloatware on this. Oops, I actually don't know what I'm doing at the moment. So there's a few bloatware you can see. There's loads of stuff like that, which I'll probably take a bit of time to delete. So anyone who actually thinking about buying an import phone, do bear that in mind. Oh, my camera's kind of like lopsided. Let me just change that. Do bear that in mind. You get a lot of bloatware. As far as I know, in the UK or globally, Android Auto don't work with this. But of course, when I get back to London, I'm going to set this up and I'll find out for sure if it does or doesn't work. I'll let everybody know then. So anyway, let's get into some of the settings. I mean, the kind of specs and so on. So I was using, to be honest, I didn't actually check the settings on this. Let's find out. Where is about this device? Give me a sec. Oh, okay. Right, see, I'm not a big fan of Hyper OS yet. That's the only issue. I think this is, I mean, don't get me wrong, I hope it does improve. Let me just find about this device. It's not your traditional setting I'm used to. Okay, there you go. My device is right there. Right there. So you can see HyperOS, Redmi Pro Max, storage 256. There you are. So 16 gigabytes RAM for 450, give or take. It's actually a really good deal. It actually feels really good in the hand. It's a case. Let me just put the case on. It's black, which is a shame because it kind of covers this. I'm going to go around to some of these vendors because I actually asked the lady in there to say if they had any other cases, but they don't. I've been actually looking for a lot of the cases for the Xiaomi Mi Mix. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. I actually got one. I got one from Alipay, which I will do a video about that as well later when I get back to London. So this is the actual case, which I will be using temporary until I find some of those high street outlets where I'll check if they do it. Because this is probably just a, the Xiaomi, this Redmi, Realme, Redmi, they are the Xiaomi kind of sub brand, which is kind of more affordable, kind of like what OnePlus used to be, never settle, if you remember. So they're gonna just throw this generic case in. But no, ideally I would love to have a see-through one so I can see the denim there. So I'm gonna use this, of course, temporarily. I'm gonna take some photos. I won't use it too much. Like I said, when I get back to London, I'm gonna transfer my data, get the settings exactly the same as my other Xiaomi's. I'm just gonna show use some photos, video, and just like my Oppo, if you please check those videos out where I just showcase photos and the videos, see what you think. But anyway, if you stayed this long, thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And till next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever in the world. Please do stay safe. Stay tuned. I'll get some of these samples up and running. Anyway, that's to say thank you. Goodbye now.